Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about how you can earn rewards by staking CRX token. In case you haven't installed the Brave browser, you can check it out. It blocks out advertising and you can surf the internet faster. As well as you can earn basic attention token. If you're interested, you can click the link below. That will help out my channel. And before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or token swap. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv and bitchute.com. Library.tv is a decentralized YouTube. You can earn library token just by watching videos. And in case you're new to the channel, I got banned from YouTube before Christmas. So I think it's time to decentralize YouTube. So join the decentralized movement, join library.tv. You can click the link below. So let's talk about CRX or 0x. So CRX is basically a peer-to-peer decentralized exchange. Right now, you can stake your token and earn reward. So the version 3, 0x version 3 is live on Ethereum mainnet right now. And they also released the beta version of the CRX Portal. So the CRX Portal is basically an interface that CRX token holder can delegate the stake. So this is the portal for the CRX Portal. And currently, they have some incentives. I think, let's see, the incentive is the 5th epoch, January 17, I think before January 17. They will supplement the liquidity reward pool with 5,000 worth of Ethereum that encourage earlier beta tester, both the market makers and the CRX holder. And they will continue to add additional 5,000 into the liquidity reward pool each epoch, ending with epoch 9 for a total of 25,000. So, of course, the market makers, they are the one who set up the staking pool, and then as a token holder, you probably will get the reward, but this reward is no guarantee. And then they encourage the market maker to set up their pool, staking pool before January 17. The reason why there's a reward is very simple. Because when you go to the pool, they only have 11 staking pool right now. So you don't have enough pool, and then this pool, the fees is 0.28. I think it's a little bit high, 0.28 Ethereum. The reward is 5%, stake is 71%, and for pool number 12, the Ethereum, the fees is 0.2, and then the reward stake is 5%. The stake is 107%. And for this pool, although the fee is very minimal, the reward is 10%, but then they have tons of people already staked into that pool. That means the reward will be diluted because there's so many people in the pool. And pool 13, the reward is 0%. That's for whatever reason, this stake is already 1,988%. And let's see, this is 7% and then 0 Ethereum. But there's nobody staking in this pool. And this one, the reward is 50%. The fees is 0 and nobody's staking. And this one is 5% and the fee is 0. And the stake is 1902% already. So right now the pool is not that many pool right now to stake actually. So I will wait before January 17. Hopefully they have more the staking pool you can choose. So if you want to stake your CRX token, you probably need to transfer your token to the MetaMask wallet, or you can use the Coinbase wallet as well. So let's see. Let's go to so basically you connect your MetaMask wallet first, and then you go to get started to go to this portal, right? The CRX portal, and you can enter your stake 25% or 100%, whatnot. Then they will choose the pool for you, or you can pick the pool, right? But the pool there's not many choices you can pick, right? So that's why they have incentives at this time. So if I put 25%, I'll put next, right? Then they will ask you to unlock the CRX and then approve the token. At this time, I'm not going to approve anything because I will wait a little bit before I stake my token because the pool is not that great at this time. So this is pretty interesting. I think it's a pretty interesting project. And you can see they have a whole bunch of products. So you can see asset swap. So you can swap Ethereum to DAI token, and they have Ethereum to USDC and DAI to USDC. So of course you have to connect it to your MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet to do the swap. And there's a CRX instant. This is like, to me, it's like a marketplace. You can purchase some of the stuff. And I want to buy this for how much Ethereum, 200 DAI token. Of course, you have to pay the fees and all that. This is pretty interesting as well. And of course, CRX launch kit. Basically, you can launch your own exchange or marketplace in minute. And of course, governance, you vote for to upgrade the CRX protocol and stuff like that. If you go to, let's see, if you go to trade, there's pretty interesting stuff in here too. So the radar relay, I'm not gonna go through all this, but just browsing, maybe I will talk about in another video. And if I go to CRX tracker, right now there's a whole bunch of a lot of volume about the card game. This is pretty interesting. So if I go to this, so this is one of the, let's see. So this is one of the projects in here, the card game, the Token Trove. So the Token Trove is basically a marketplace for digital collectibles. So you just pay this. I don't know why people are playing this game. This is pretty interesting. So you can see the transaction is like card game, Token Trove, and they just exchange some of the token. And wow, this is a DAI token. Somebody bought some DAI token. No, they did swap the token, like DAI to USDC or something. So you can do a whole bunch of stuff. It's pretty cool. Actually, I think this is a pretty cool project, actually. Let me know what you think about the CRX project. Seems like they have a lot, they build a lot of stuff behind the scene. And unlike some of the projects, they just like, I guess most of the projects are already dead at this time. And let me know what you think about the CRX project. And are you going to stake your token, or are you going to stake your token, or you will wait a little bit before you stake your token? Because like right now the pool is not that great. And please comment below. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or token swap or any staking pool. And remember, also please comment below. I would love to hear from you. That will help my ranking to YouTube in YouTube, and I will continue to provide quality video for you guys. And of course, remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, stock market. And of course, those staking pool can has inherent risk. Please use your due diligence.